Welcome to the video. Today we are at Cole Harbour Heritage Park and it is a beautiful place. This is the kind of place that I want to do a video on because it's not a lot of people here and the views are incredible. The walking paths are very well kept and you can go so many different places in it. The parking is awesome. There's two lots. I'm currently at the lot number 1 and there's another lot number 2 that's on the other end. These trails go through this kind of like a old farm area and it is really nice. There are the ability to walk dogs. There's also the ability to use your bike in certain parts of the trail. There's a trail that goes through this that comes from other areas. So just overall, I'm just very impressed with the park. It is definitely something where if you are in the Halifax or Dartmouth area in Nova Scotia, this would be a place to check out. It's got toilets. It does look like it has some type of programming going on during the summer, and there's buildings that are here for that. It's got a very well kept area where you could hang out, seats, benches all over the place. It's a great view of Cole Harbour. It's just awesome because it's like the ocean is right there and they have some awesome beaches that are like you could just hang out and really just be in nature. There's not a lot of people here. If they are, they're coming and going, and I would highly recommend it. So please check it out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you think you want to get more of this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.